Hello everyone, hope you guys are having a great time. So in this video I'm going to be sharing top 5 tips that you should know if you guys are just learning to drive or you have been driving for a while. So this video is completely dedicated to the new drivers. So before we jump straight into the video, if you guys are new here, consider subscribing. Here I'll be uploading driving tips and tricks and informative videos related to cars. So guys, the first tip is to do some basic checks of your car. Basic check includes your car's engine coolant, engine oil, brake fluid and tire pressure of your car. Make sure that your tires are inflated up to the correct tire pressure, and you guys can find the recommended tire pressure on the driver's side door jamb. And guys, the second tip here is to adjust the driver's seat in a comfortable position. If you don't adjust the driver's seat in a comfortable position, in the long run you will feel some pain in the back, so that's not a good for driving. So make sure that you are adjusting the driver's seat in a comfortable position, and also make sure that all the 3 rear view mirrors are correctly adjusted. And obviously for safety, don't forget to wear the seat belt. And guys, the third driving tip is drive at a very slow speed. So if you guys are a new driver, don't try to drive at a higher speed. If you drive at a higher speed, then in case of an emergency you will have very little reaction time, and that's not a good habit of driving. So never drive at a higher speed. If you guys are just learning to drive, always drive at the correct speed limit. And also don't try to drive very close to other vehicles if you guys are driving in the traffic. And guys, the fourth driving tip is avoid distraction. So if you guys are just a new driver, distraction may make you more nervous. So if you guys are driving in the traffic, never try to distract yourself with other things like your cell phone and other vehicles. Always try to focus on your driving and on your lane only. Never get distracted by other things. And guys, the fifth driving tip is obey the traffic rules. So guys, traffic rules are made for our own safety. So make sure that you are obeying all the traffic signs, traffic light and traffic signals correctly. And also make sure that if you guys are changing the lane, make sure to give the indicator before you change the lane. So if you guys want to go to the left lane, then make sure that you are giving a left indicator, and then only you will shift your car to the left lane. So guys, these were the top 5 tips for the new drivers. Hope you guys find this video useful. If you did, don't forget to like the video, and if you guys are new here, consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. Drive safe and take care.